In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly publish a blog post using the Hostinger website builder. If you've been looking to share your insights, stories, or expertise through blogging, this guide will set you on the right path. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. If you're not yet familiar with the layout, don't worry, it's fairly intuitive. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate directly to the website builder. If you haven't already upgraded to a suitable plan that includes blogging capabilities, now is the time. This upgrade is essential to ensure that you can add and manage a blog section on your website. Once inside the website builder, you'll need to turn your attention to the blog section. You'll typically find this on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it and then look for the Add New Post button. This is your starting point for creating fresh content. Now here comes the creative part. This is where you can either write new content directly in the editor or paste pre-written content if you've already prepared it elsewhere. Crafting engaging content is key, so take your time here. As you write, be sure to focus on clarity and make your points compelling and reader-friendly. After your content is in place, it's time to think about presentation. Start by giving your post a catchy and relevant title. This is what will draw your readers in, so make sure it resonates with the theme or message of your post. Next, you'll want to add a featured image. This image will represent your post visually and is often the first thing that catches a reader's eye. Selecting an appropriate and high-quality image is crucial, so choose one that aligns closely with your post's content. Then explore the additional details in the post settings. These might include selecting categories, adding tags, or setting an excerpt. These elements will help in organizing your blog and improving its searchability, so give them thoughtful consideration. Once everything looks good, the moment has arrived to make your blog post live. Click the Publish button. But remember, there's one final step. Click on Update Website. This ensures that your changes are reflected on your live site. By following these steps carefully, you'll successfully publish your first blog post using Hostinger website builder. It's an exciting journey to put your voice out there and potentially reach a vast audience. Whether you're blogging for business or pleasure, publishing on a platform like this makes it all straightforward and efficient. That's everything you need to get started. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.